everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS shaping molding machine test video with EPS waffle pot slab mold for Australian market. It has automatic pickup system to save labor cost. Pickup system goes up. Eject the EPS waffle pot out. Pickup system goes down. Cylinder push out to the working table. The working table can stack about 7 to 8 pieces of EPS waffle pot. For more information about EPS machine or EPS mold, you can leave your comments below or contact with us by email. If you want to see more video like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.